Okay, welcome to my channel now. Guys, I want to share you now about how to install the replacement of motor compressor. This time, you make this discharge line connection to copper tube from compressor discharge line to liquid line. And this one, suction line connection to accumulator tank. And that make sure that you cut the liquid line so that you can put this one, the R141 before flushing. So this time you start now for replacement of the motor compressor. So you need to proper flushing this system. This is the compressor discharge line. This is the accumulator tank. So this one, suction line portion. Connection this copper tube connect down to this accumulator tank. This one, discharge line from compressor down to liquid line condenser. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, Rico Mamas. This is not for kids, this is for adults only.